blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
Well, we're on the way. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Yeah, Jordan Pickford. He's a great all-round goalkeeper, Peter. Great at shot stopping and dominant in it.
And the shot! Turns and goes back. Ozyakup. Receives, shapes to shoot! And he's got it! Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch. Sumptuous second. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Digne. Allen. Forward it goes. He's Iwobi! Up to meet it!
Everton have opted to really stretch the game now.
Yeah, that's pretty evident, but what's their thinking?
It looks as if the opposition are happy to defend the width of the 18-yard box, trying to remove that compactness.
Now, Canny Capital hits one! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Great leap! Decent enough try.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Well positioned to make that interception. And it's Gomez. Loses his balance and loses the ball. Has gone out. Darlington are seeing a lot of the ball and have a 1-0 lead to show for it. Receives it from behind. Vida. Keane. Davis. Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. Going for goal! Gomez plays it forward. Gets wrestled off the ball. Oh, good, real chance! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Half-time whistle goes. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well, there's good movement off the ball, the passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Darlington head for the dressing room in possession of a 1-0 lead. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. A solitary goal, that has been the crucial difference. Tony Kroos has a hit! Oh, surely that deserved better.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
They've played it short.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
He's gone for it! And for a moment, time stood still. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Just brushed off the ball there. Gets into a dangerous position. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. There will be a throw-in.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Not a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. James. Caught offside that time. Darlington have turned to their bench, and we're going to have a substitution. Vida. Tries to get it forward quickly. It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Pickford sends that a long way.
Everton are actually displaying tremendous fighting spirit. There's a real belief that they can still have a say.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Almost there, and the players can feel it. This could fall anywhere. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Now a chance to break. He gets past his man. Calvert-Lewin. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? A heavy challenge. Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone. Tries one! And that is it. The equaliser just wouldn't come. It is over. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd